Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Totally crosses TV, big up yourself. You see me? This don't make no sense for me. Now no substance behind it. Internet is all about. It's all about. You get positive, you get negative, and you get the in between. If you can't manage that, you understand? You can't manage the internet, fam. You see me? So, all of what me soon been do from about a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I who still stand up right there, eh? I who still the right there and who the back right type. Who can chat to me. But I'ma big up your damn self, you know, do it, boss. Job card, it make we a lock your job card. It make we turn landlord job card. Yeah, me I say no man do it, boss, you know, one do it, boss, you know. One Portmore, one Cumberland, you know. I want to man, you know, the badness come and do it, boss. Connect, Bama. I want to them feel like from a long time I got man and I just know. You hear that? Like them now here. Them they know them brain slow, it seems like them want a whole heap of what? Okay, no.
Hello, Dowey.
Hi.
Hi. Stop your video. Becoming.
How you go now? Wanna to question me? Hey, can you explain the meaning of your last song? I want to understand it. What in it you want to understand from? From the pussy to the mouth? That part you understand? Eh? Me take out my cock. After me take out my cock out of the... I push it in here. Get it? I want it well seasoned up. Or you season it too. The fuck there. Clean. Eh? That you know what you understand? From the pussy to the mouth. Every girl I said, do we come? Every girl wants to cough it, man, having cheese upon it. Behave yourself. I want it. That's the short and long of it. You understand? From the pussy to the mouth. Put the cock in the pum pum. And then take it out. And then hold the head. You see me? Yeah. I want it. So no don't try twisty thing. A little mongrel. Me don't even know what kind of, if it's a pitch shoe or one of them laboratory dog there. You know, I don't know where the fuck it forward from. You see me? But them always say, if you don't mix with dog, you can't catch flea. You see me? So, you see, look, well, I say now, I get for know somebody, I'm too enough. You see me, as my wife would have said, I'm too enough, because I never enough that would happen. But I say, badness come down. You see me? You have to live and learn, you know? So another girl can't get the blood clot run up there, run up out. Mad fam? You sick in your head fam. Up to now, I still don't even know which girl that come from or what. Because I'm there, I say Jamaica, she not come from, she not live at Jamaica. She can have a Jamaica chip and have it as a WhatsApp and just a fuck around. You see me? You don't know the badness come on. Time, you know? Nah, yes, nothing. Me nah cuss, you know. Fam, if you don't know me, if you don't know me, fam, dead, so no go on, you know.
What juice again?
Which one I get juice?
is a connection.
And me fi tell you, if I was a person, me that take that name there right now. That's me, fam.
That is it.
Yeah, deaf. I want to tell you, kind of limelight and now I put it. Cause suck on no mother to you know. I want him to know. Cause suck on, hey. Don't me get, hey, bumbo, chop blood, hey. Eh? When you kind of call up my name, say every blood clip minute, I'm in a hype with it. I want him to know. The fuck, I know I'm going hype. Remember me telling you, because I don't know hype it. You, don't make me block you from my life. You hear that? You don't have to have a purpose to come on your live. Or take your phone and put on yourself and go live. Yeah? Me see people are war. You hear that? And before people part people. You hear me say to you? A video, me see people have video and I go live and all them things. You see me come on my life, big pussy old girl. Go suck your man cock and stop watch this man. How the fuck do you come on fight? The bumbo clot if you have a problem. If you have a problem, man, move. And don't make it be a bother to you. Bumbo clot, you come over here say, but what's the purpose? What's the purpose of your blood clot mouth? Go suck your man who don't come on for this man. Bumbo clot. Shoot a girl and a man. You're deaf, my God. Shoot a girl and a man now. You think I'm afraid? Anyway, we do it too. What the fuck there if we not have an iron ball them, we find something else to do it, you know? But I'm not afraid for talking, you know? That me tell you, cause no boy or girl can lock me up for my mouth, you know? That me for telling you. Now if you have evidence of me doing something, and I can't have that. My badness different, fully discreet. Here we're not talking. So what if me a cuss now can I come over here with a bag of fuckery fam? A matter of fact, it's now 11:54 in England. You know enough for Uno with the right they say we are. I do the bad comment, you know what I forgot to do? Sorry to say, but it's Saturday. Go find a man and fuck. And stop fuck yourself in the morning. Yeah. Cause it not look good for. Fuck yourself days done. Go find somebody for yourself. Or borrow somebody. You see me? Yeah. And fuck and stop fuck yourself. What is? Hey, can you explain the meaning of? Okay, I'm glad you got it now, you know. Connect. Yeah, boy.
Who do this?
Yeah, Ross, man, from the Pamela variety, some of them, I see it here. From the Pamela variety, some of them, they are
going to ice cream.
Yeah. And then out I do a call. Bumbo killer. Oh, the call from. Call. Yeah man, for them over here, so them really don't have nothing for do fam. I swear to God. Them convince me now. I know in a real life when I check the stats, the most negative, the what I say? The person with more negativity in them are people that really don't have nothing for do. You see me? Yeah. Them not have nothing upon them up. Them not have a picnic to look after. Them not have a 9 to 5. Them just not have nothing for occupy them time. So what them do they make me and my wife so relevant to them that All if a walk is a fucking problem to them. Fam, fuck you. Go look alive, fam. Fucking hell. Who is? Don't tell me I add nobody in it. Because I don't want to add nobody and this nobody in it, man. You see me? So you wear talk, say you don't got nothing either, bro. And me that go for? Could never me that go for. You know, I don't ignore them still, mama, I swear to God. Stick man, you know where badness go. But man, I don't want nobody to worry about me and job. You hear that? On a big man level. I don't want nobody to worry about me and a job, fam. In a real life. I know for we are talking. Uno in itself don't have a 95. You don't have a skill, you don't have nothing to help on yourself. But Lord, and allow me now, man. Let me tell you something. You might not have nothing in England, yeah. You hear that? But you see Jamaica, fam. You see Jamaica? I'm a yard that. I'm a bread and cheese that down there, so. Know that. I'm there yard what day, I'm comfortably fuck, well contented, not never that bother me. All you see all you big batty boy RT boss, but you put up man picture with pussy me should have there Jamaica when you do that here. That me I tell you batty boy. Hey, that's so much. Hey boy. Yeah, that's so much belt buckle. Me have under my name, you hear pussy? That me I tell you. My sister enough for now take man thing and I run some serious blood clot joke with man. Like gonna feel like some man thing or some mud thing or some clay thing where you can farm and play with that. Pussy me telling you this. You see last year was playtime. But you see that blood clot area? Playtime. Done fam. So you see all I wanna look a fuck you wanna feel like you can keep up. I'm gonna sit down with it. Batty boy wanna think again. Furthermore RT boss. You're a batty boy. You can't chat to me no time. You know that. Boy you take man picture put with blood clot. With blood clot. Red kangle and type of kangle. Pussy. You wait till 2 days before you try that batty boy. And no, anytime I come back on my ground, make sure you know that there. I'm going to show you who a bad man. You tell me, say, when me catch up, before I come Jamaica, what do you tell me, say, I can't come a yard. And not for no pussy, I tell me about me can't come. I want to make a perfect example out of no for no chat.